So in this video, we're going to look at the question number 4. What are the possible graphical display for one quantitative data? So obviously, for this question, we only focused on the quantitative data like age, the weight, your GPA, and so that is our quantitative data. Instead of looking at the tabular display in question number 3, we're looking for graphical display. So if you revisit the chapter 2, you understand we only learned one method that you can use Excel to generate it. That is called histogram. So therefore, for question number 4, we only have one answer. That is histogram. So we're going to use the Excel file based on the answer from question number 3. So if you haven't got question number 3, make sure to get the question number 3 before you start question number 4, okay? So in question number 3, we created this diagram. I will create this frequency distribution. So this frequency distribution is analyzing X3 because X3 is a quantitative data. So in that video, I also mentioned that you definitely can analyze the X2 batting average or win because both of them are quantitative data as well. But I only pick X3 because I only try to focus on the method. And so given the table I created for X3, and so this is the frequency distribution. Now I'm going to generate the histogram. So to generate histogram, and first we're going to select my values. Again, please do not include the grand total because that is not belonging to any classes. So grand total is the total number of observation we have, so that is not class. So therefore, we don't want to include grand total. And then we'll click insert. And then we're going to choose, still called column chart. Remember, it's column chart. It is not histogram, okay? We chose column chart. And so this look like our bar chart. So that is very important part. Don't make mistakes if there's going to be a question in exams. So this is a bar chart. This is not histogram yet. The reason is because the histogram have no gap between bars. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose my blue bar. Left double click the mouth. So after you left double click the mouth, and you will be able to see on Excel right hand side, you will see format data point, and then you're going to choose this one called like 3 bars. So this actually is called a series options. And now you can see currently the gap means that the white gap between the 2 bars is 219%, so which means it's 219% of the width of each bar. So in order to close the gap, we need to change this percentage to 0. And then after you change the number to 0, you can push enter on your keyboard. So now this is our correct histogram. So this is the correct histogram. Keep in mind the key here is no gap. So similar method as bar chart, but you need to do the adjustment to close the gap. So that's the answer for this question.